Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming which account or service the password email belongs to and why you need it. Search your primary inbox for keywords like password, reset, and recovery, then filter by date to narrow results. Once done, scan sender domains for obvious matches, example, @service.com, because similar names can mislead. Make sure to open messages only from legitimate domains and move suspicious results to a separate folder before proceeding. Next, dig deeper into mail tools. Use advanced search operators such as from, subject, and date to pinpoint the reset message and include has attachment if links were sent as files. Don't forget spam, promotions, and archived folders. Enable all mail when using Gmail-like systems. Once you find candidates, preview the message and view headers to confirm the sender address and message ID. This proves authenticity and tells you exactly which account the reset email targeted. Finally, open the verified reset link and follow the site's prompts to set a new password. Do this promptly because links expire. After resetting, sign in and verify your recovery email and phone under account security so future resets go to the correct address. If you never receive the email, retry the request, review filters and forwarding rules, and if necessary, contact support. Include the raw headers you saved so they can trace delivery and resolve the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.